what's up?
What's...
Oh my God, I wanted that. I wanted that voice.
Let me join in the party.
That's a unique voice.
Congrats.
Nice to meet you, Coach Black.
Yeah, I know. Thanks a lot, Coach.
You are most welcome.
I wanted that voice.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Cyril Leonen.
Ilang taon ka na, Cyril?
I'm 17 years old from Cainta, Rizal.
Sino ang inspirasyon mo sa iyong pagkanta?
Yung inspiration ko po sa pagkanta ko is my family. Kasi sila yung unang first one na nag-support sa akin throughout my whole journey as a singer. Since kindergarten hanggang ngayon po. So, I'm very happy po na hanggang ngayon, they are still supporting me.
Paikot na ako pero nakita ko si Coach Bamboo na umikot na siya. Tapos parang, sabi ko na, parang, I did not want to be selfish, na akuin ka. Kasi parang feeling ko, mas bagay kayo talaga ni Coach Bamboo. Bagay din naman kayo ni Coach Martin, pero ano ba bang silbi ng igaganyan niya?
Mas bagay kami.
Let's not waste our time.
Come on.
Agenda tapos
Dito
na.
ka din
Mas bagay kami,
naman.
Visay.
Dito ka din naman pupunta. Ay, pero I must say, I appreciate you na 17 pa lang po siya.
Yeah.
Pero nung umikot kami, actually ako yung huling umikot, parang he felt that I felt bad na hindi ako nakaikot. Pero gusto kong umikot. Tapos gumanon siya sa akin, it's fine, it's fine. Ha, you're just 17.
Can you believe it?
Diba, you are so mature sa edad mo para intindihin mo pa yung feelings ko. So, I am just very happy. At nararamdaman ko na mabait kang bata na makikinig ka kay Coach Bamboo. And congratulations, welcome to The Voice Teens.
I liked you when I was blind, and now that I can see, I like you even more. Ano yung boses mo, I had to have that voice kasi lahat ng nasa Martin, puro mga bumibirit, but your voice has that storytelling, as we say here on The Voice Teens, and it was so cool. I wanted that on the Mar team, but I must say, I'm sure that Coach Bamboo has a plan for you, and I think we're all excited to see what he can do for you.
Nagustuhan ko sa performance mo, sa audition mo, is the honesty sa vocal mo sa umpisa. Diba? Walang lamig, walang hindi mo sinubukang kulayan ng konti. Meron naman, no? Meron eh. Parang kuyari, ini-imagine ko ikaw nagsulat ng kanta na to, no? Naando ka, nakaupo ka, maybe you're in your bed, and you're singing to yourself. It felt like that, eh.
Intimate.
Diba? Intimate, quiet. Nung umikot na ako, tapos nagpo-falsetto ka, hindi mo na natamaan yun, no? Pero, sabi ko, subukan mo. Feeling ko kaya mo, full eh. Na di mo na kailangan i-falsetto yun eh. Feeling ko, nagawa mo naman sa dulo eh. Kasi ginawa sa urig, di ba? Just because ginawa doon, you don't have to do that. Kung di yun ang strength mo, then make it your own. Well, we're going to have our time, no? To do this, to work things out. Eh. But I think you're a very honest, good singer.
Yes.
And I'm hoping you have the heart of an artist as well. Wow. Now, this is something you want to do for life. No, yun ang mga gusto ko sa Camp Kawayan eh. Na I see 20 years down the line, whatever man, tapos alam ko musikero, that's my people, you know? Yun ang gusto ko eh, right? Soldiers, right? So, when I say soldiers of music, no, ipapakita akong video lang na kaibigan ko. Parati ko nakakasama na nga to eh. I would say nga bandmate ko na nga to eh. Parang banda kami eh, no? What? So, I'll show you this artist. Stay right here.
Parang nararamdaman ko na Ezwa.
No way.
Hello, hello, The Voice fam! Coach Sarah here. Na-miss niyo ba ako?